Good morning, everybody. Crypto Whiskey here with your morning watch list. It's December 19th, Monday morning. Let's get this train moving. All right, first up, we've got a lot of data coming out this week, economic data, lots of housing data. So I'll be looking at a couple of housing related plays this week. It's been holding up pretty steady. So I'm expecting a lot of bad numbers to come in for housing. It has slowed, but I think we get a little pop running into it. Maybe not, but either way, we're going to be prepared for the upside and the downside. So right here on Zillow guys, currently at $36. You see, we're in this kind of almost almost a flag pattern, quite a large one. We've tested it multiple times. We've got some gaps in it. What I would be looking for is on a break above $36.32 that we'll want to take a call or go long, a call option out this week, looking for test higher up in the probably 30, 38 range. So about a $2 move to test the top of this channel again, possibly break out. We'll know when it gets there. If today wants to open up below 35.78, I would be looking for puts for a retest down to the bottom trend line at maybe you're talking about maybe 35, even 34.97, and then on the second third test here, maybe looking for a breakdown and getting a much deeper retrace down to 33. That's the number one. So we're going to take puts on it below 35.78. I want to buy puts looking for a dump, and above 36.32, we want to take calls up to this trend line and then reassess the situation. I would probably be looking for dates out no shorter than the end of this week. I wouldn't take anything today. You're not going to get those kind of moves, but I would be looking for the end of this week, first part of next week. It's not a real long play. I want to say a week or 10 days max. Next one up, RKT. Here it is on the hourly again. We're losing tons of negative momentum right now, and we're bouncing off the lower levels of this bearish control zone in the RSI. Personally, with this one, it just does crazy stuff, but everything's pointing that we may get a nice bounce. We have this big green candle that came in, so I'm looking to give it some room to move first because it's so sneaky. I would say a break above 816. Then I'd be looking for try to retest this 200-day moving average at around 855. So I would want calls above 816. I'd want to get into some calls for this Friday. And then a break below 777, I'd want to be in some puts, looking for much lower tests down around the 730, but most likely try to fill that gap at 657. All right. And then an ultimate target of 625. So puts below 777, calls above 816. Rocket Mortgage is dangerous, so we've got to give it a little bigger space to move and give us some actual direction before we commit to something. Those are the two I'm looking at today, and looking to enter those and hopefully play off some of this housing information in the next day or two. That's about it for today, guys. Let's keep grinding away. If you haven't already, go join my Discord. Lots of traders. You're getting tons more setups than this and there. We're cranking out dozens and dozens of setups for crypto, for stocks, everything. So come check it out. Crypto Whiskey Discord. Link will be in the description. Thanks. See you tomorrow.